From the famous Shinkansen achieving unimaginable speeds with such little sound, to the Esplanet's ability to control how much light and heat that enters and leaves, biomimicry is no doubt one of the most important ways us humans are able to achieve more desirable outcomes with the help of nature. Although the projects we designed using biomimicry improved the efficiency and effectiveness of previous projects, sometimes these projects don't include benefits for some more serious problems, such as our damage to the environment. One of our biggest problems arises from the depth of the ocean, literally. With this recent increase in our waste caused by our generation, the amount of oxygen that is being produced from the ocean is slowly decreasing. Our excess dumpage of nitrogen from city waste has provided vital food to feed our main enemy, the algae. Although small, algae is one of the most scariest things in our ocean, and you may be thinking, how could such a little microorganism cause such a huge threat? As a matter of fact, these organisms can eat and multiply into millions just by feeding on nitrogen to reproduce. Clumps of these can actually block the sun from reaching the bottom of the ocean, and our plants underwater now can't photosynthesize underwater. As a result, our oxygen supply is reducing, decreasing the amount of oxygen being produced from the ocean. As a result, we plan to help decrease the amount of nitrogen using machines that are designed not only to be eco-friendly, but also help harvest nitrogen from the water and turn them into fertilizer. We made our original design from biomimicking mussels and how they not only have a hydrodynamic body that helps it slice the water, but it also possesses the ability to do bioextraction, which is the ability to turn nitrogen into food for itself to eat. Our machine would help us achieve this similarity, as it also collects nitrogen and water from the ocean for food. After some time of researching and studying mussels, we had a discussion about how we were going to extract nitrogen from the water. And after some suggestions and idea sharing, we decided to go with the idea of turning nitrogen into water by turning them into gas forms. This will allow us to harvest the nitrogen from the ocean water and then turn them into fertilizer for the small plant inside the pod to grow, as you can see here in the diagram. We had a small tube at the bottom to extract ocean water and to put them in a boiler to turn them into gas forms. And then at the top we have those solar panels for electricity for the boiler. And we have a little hole near the little plant to help it get new carbon dioxide for it to breathe and turn them into oxygen. In conclusion, not only will our machine help extract the excess nitrogen from the water, it will also help protect our plant's oxygen and help it last longer than expected. And here are the sources that we used.